Hi people with the spirit of learning, welcome back to my video in YouTube. My name is Angga from Indonesia, and currently I'm still waiting for my flight to go to Malaysia and Singapore. So I have to stay in the hotel in Semarang, Indonesia. And I was thinking that how about I just want to make the video for you about the Ender Studio tutorial. So basically in this video you're gonna learn the radar animation. So it's like a Tinder, or it's like you're gonna find something in this application with the animation. So basically this application for the Bitcoin, but you could also use this application maybe finding friends, girlfriend, or doctor, or anything that you like. Okay, so I have provided the assets, and we're gonna use the free library from Skyfish, and we're gonna use the free Android library that I have found in the GitHub. Okay everyone, let's get started. Okay everyone, welcome to my desktop, and this is the design that I did with the Adobe XD, and we're gonna use this open source GitHub GitHub repository. Is like the library, and I really thanks to you Skyfish JY. Yeah, so basically he just provide like this, but we're gonna make like this. Yeah, of course I think we can do that. So I provide the assets, so make sure you have to download those assets in the video's description first. And let's go to the Android, and I'm going to make find coins. Okay, next, and with the empty activity, next, and finish. And I have to, maybe we have to copy all of them to the drawable, because we need this. We couldn't make it by ourselves with the drawable. So I think we have to copy all of them, and we close the Java at the moment because we don't really need this. Okay, and then we have to create our custom background app. Okay, because I use a gradient over there in my design, so I'm gonna show you how it works. First of all, we have to setting the gradient with the star color, and I have to check to the Adobe XD. Okay, so the first color that we are going with this source code, and then for the end color we can go with the another color, you know. And don't forget to setting the angel. Okay, like this, right? And then after that we have to, no, we don't have. So we have to setting over here with the drawable background app. Yeah, cool. And we're going to the value with the style, because I'm gonna remove this action bar to the no action bar. Okay, and I was thinking that I want to change this status bar color, but you know, we have to go back to the background app because we need this source code. Just copy, and we're going to the colors heading to replace the color primary dark, because it will replacing the background color of the status bar. You see that? Yeah, it looks nice, right? And the first thing that I have to do is just want to uh, copy the GitHub library from this one. So you have to copy this one, just copy, and you go to the drawable, Gradle, I mean. And after the implementation over here, you have to write by yourself and just copy like this. All right, and we have to sync in, and then we have already. So last time that I was wrong to write this implementation, can you fix it just following this one implementation? Okay, and then the thing that we have to do for the next step is we have to copy this one. This is the default template of the library, so I think you can following, and then we just need to put over here. Okay, and this one we have to change with the Bitcoin con, like the set that I have provided to you, right? And for this one, this is the sizes of this icon. So if we go back to the Adobe XD, and we see that this is about 76, so I think we have to make it bigger. Okay, cool. And yeah, so after that I have to change this color, because our color is not blue but just go with the white color. Okay, and this is the ripple amount. This is the amount of the wave, amount of the circle, and this is the margin of its radius, and we have to provide this ID, maybe find coins. Okay, all right. And I think that we have to move this Bitcoin to bit top, but we have to prepare the texture also for the title. Text size is 22 sp, and text color is white, and the text itself is the find coins. Okay, and I just need to bring it to the middle, the Finch coin. Okay, we just make it here, and then we just make it here, and we have to bring. Okay, and for this one I think that actually that we have to change it instead of the match parent. I think we can following our design over here. We just take for the 300 maybe. So let's go with the 300 dp. Okay, and then I just easily to following this find coins. Sorry, I have to select this one, and then I just need to following this, yeah, and then I just need to targeting here. Okay, looks nice, and like this. Then I just bring to the down. Okay, cool. And if you see those edges, I just want to make it 0 because I don't want to make like the margin, and yeah, okay. And then after that we have to design this one result. Okay, so I think that I could easily by duplicating this text view after this skyfish, of course, and just remove this, and then I just want to remove this. And for the fins coin we have to replace the text by result. Okay, and then I just need to like this and like this. And for the margin left we have to setting maybe 24, and for the top we just setting for 24. Okay, so basically that I'm going to show the design over here for the coins. Okay, and yeah, we just need to use the image view for the raw content, and then raw content, and you hide the source with the I need the this one bit salt. Okay, and then after that we could easily just put over here. Okay, and I think I'm going to heading it to the result and give the margin about 16, and then for the left also I'm going to heading to the 24. Okay. And for the next one, we have to use, like, the text field for the details of this coin, of course. And I'm going to remove them and remove them. So this is supposed to be 16 SP. Maybe BTC. BTC stands for a Bitcoin, And then I just need to design. Let Okay, and we target to the result either, and this is supposed to be a 16, and for the last supposed to be 16. Okay, and we need the another texture actually for the prices, so just repeat the steps. So this is the design that we have right now, and I'm going to test the animation first before we putting the icons. Like, if you see the design over here, I have this icon, right? Means that we got the result over here. You get what I mean? Yeah. So before we put all of them, I wanna test the ripple animation first. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is just want to go to the Java to register this find coins. I put the ID over here. So we just need to ripple background find coins. Okay, and then you have to targeting this find coins to the ripple background and find view and RID find coins. Okay, and then the things that we have to see that if you want to start the animation, just put this parameter, sorry, just include this function. So means that we have to go to find coins and just like it, oops, double. So the thing that we have to do right now is just testing to the emulator. Wow, you see that it's working, right? But what if I say we want to show those icon, and then we want to show this one, right? How? Okay, let's try. So first of all, I'm going back this one. Okay. So first of all, the thing that I have to do is just want to uh, copy all of this to the one single layout, which is, maybe we can go with the linear layout. This is for the match parent, and for the heck we just go with the auto content, and then after that we have to setting the orientation to be maybe sorry, just go with the horizontal, and we copy all of them just like this, and I think we don't need kinda like this because we are using the linear layout, you know and then the thing that we have to do is just want to get all of them and then change it to the another layout, so we have to use, maybe this is for the match parent of content, and for the orientation, because we want to show the text from the top to the bottom. Okay, and for this linear layout we have to give the ID, which is the maybe result con. Okay, and I just want to make it at the bottom after this result. Okay, yeah, and we get this, and we get this. Okay, but I think we have to setting to the 0 and 0. Okay, so means that if I just give the animation of for this layout, it could be easily for us. So first of all, I'm going to continue to put the icon. So maybe before the library, we have to use the image view. Just go maybe with the wrap content, and then Bitcoin con. You see, sorry, not this one. What was the icon name, huh? I forgot. Oh, SpotCon. Okay. And for the ID, we can use the SpotCon. Okay. And then I have to put this SpotCon over here. I need to setting this margin, and then I need to setting to the top. And after that, just put here. Okay. So means that I'm going to give the delay after this maybe around 800 millisecond. So after this appear, the result will be appear, So how do we do that? Okay, I think we have to go to Java. So first of all, I want to give this image view to the spot count. Okay. And then spot count is image view and RID spot count. Okay. And I'm going to give the spot count maybe just for the visibility. Oh, no, don't go with the visibility here. We could go with the custom animation by creating a new resources, which is for the animation anim, and then for the anim we have to give like this is for the spot count name. And then I just want to give a translate from X and Y. Oh yeah, Y maybe 10% to Y 0%, and this is supposed to be P 0% P. Okay, for the duration supposed to be faster, maybe just 300. That's enough. And the second properties, I just want to give the alpha. So from alpha 0.0 to the alpha 1.0, and it takes about, maybe it's supposed to be longer, maybe a 600, And then I think to make it smoothly, I just want to give the Android, what was that? Yeah, interpolator. Yeah. And then Android with the Android, I think it's supposed to be, oh, this one. Sometimes I full, but for this one. And before we do all of them, we have to give the Android start offset. Maybe after 1000, then this animation will be running. Okay. So yeah, first of all we have to give like can we do the alpha here? Oh, cooldown, because it's already depreciated. So what can we do here? We just want to give spot count and then set visibility gun. Okay, so after a few seconds, maybe I think I can give the animation here. Animate set. Oh, I think as for now we just need to delete all of them and try to register the animation spot con name. Okay, and I believe we have to import the animation. So spot con name animation utils rad sorry ra name and then spot con name. Okay, and then spot con, we have to start the animation for the spot con name. Okay, and sorry, we have to include this, yeah, like this. And yeah, I think we can try this emulator. Okay, seems like we have the testing. Oh, it's working, but it looks faster, right? So the thing that we have to understand that this is the start offset. Okay, and I think we can make it longer, maybe about 4,000. Why not? You know, this is 4,000 milliseconds, means that maybe about 3 or 4 seconds. So we can do that. And then we have to give the animation to the linear layout first, which is this is the result con with the linear layout. So I think we have to register linear layout, which is sorry, result con. Does it? Yeah, result con. And then this is result con, linear layout, and rad result con. Okay, and I think we could give the animation with this one, result con, start animation, spot con. Okay, I'm going to test the emulator. So I'm gonna show you. So we have to wait 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, it's appear, right? Yeah, so this is looks nice, and we can try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Okay, nice, and try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, booms. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for watching, and I hope it was useful for you. Please let me know if you have any question, because I'm gonna answer to you. Well, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video really useful for you, right? Why not? And yeah, nice to meet you from Indonesia, and I hope we're gonna see again in the next video. So goodbye.